Instagram is more than just an app. It's where we store memories, run businesses, and connect with others. For many, it's a personal diary and a business platform, all in one. Small businesses, artists, and influencers rely on Instagram for income and exposure. Our personal and professional lives are deeply tied to our accounts. This makes Instagram a prime target for hackers. Losing access to your account can mean losing memories, income, and connections. Account hacks are common and can happen without warning, causing real and immediate problems. In 2025, something strange happened. People woke up, reached for their phones, and found themselves logged out of Instagram. They tried their passwords again and again, but nothing worked. The realization hit: someone had taken over their accounts. Clicking Forgot Password only revealed the recovery email had been changed to something unrecognizable. Sarah, a baker in Ohio, lost her business account to a crypto scammer. 5 years of work, gone overnight. Mark, a recent grad, lost all his travel photos. His memories were replaced by a cartoon monkey. It wasn't just influencers. Everyone was affected. Grandparents lost family photos, teens lost their memes, and community groups lost touch. Support forums filled with desperate posts. My account was stolen. They changed my email and phone number. Instagram support isn't responding. It was a global panic. But this wasn't a high-tech cyber attack. Most accounts were hijacked because users made simple mistakes: weak passwords, reused logins, or falling for scams. The lesson? The weakest link in digital security is us. When your Instagram account is hacked, the impact is immediate and real. People describe it as a violation, like a stranger rifling through your most personal moments and conversations. You're locked out, powerless, while someone else controls your digital identity. Hackers use your account to scam your friends, post offensive content, or send malicious links. For small business owners, years of work and reputation can vanish overnight. If your Instagram is your portfolio, losing it means losing clients and income instantly. The bills keep coming, but your income stops. Recovery is a nightmare: endless forms, automated replies, and little real help. Meanwhile, your account is used for scams, damaging your reputation and trust. Even if you get your account back, rebuilding trust is incredibly hard. The experience is isolating and stressful, leaving you to pick up the pieces alone. So, if hackers aren't using quantum computers and alien technology to break into Instagram, how are they doing it? Here's the twist. Their secret weapon is you. Yes, and me. All of us. Our habits, clicking before thinking, are the master key hackers use. It's like asking the bank manager for the vault code instead of picking the lock. Hackers know we're busy and distracted, quick to respond to notifications. Our digital habits haven't kept up with the value of our accounts. We use simple passwords for everything. We click on links from unknown senders. We give random apps access to our profiles for silly quizzes. Each careless habit is a crack in our digital armor. The good news? If we're the weak point, we're also the solution. Learn the tricks, build better defenses, and take your digital security seriously. You are the first line of defense. That's how you keep your account safe. Hackers love phishing, sending fake messages that look just like Instagram, trying to trick you into giving up your info. You'll get emails, DMs, or texts that seem official, but they're designed to steal your login. These messages create panic, claiming your account's in danger or you're about to get verified. They'll say there's a security alert, a copyright strike, or you've won a blue check mark. The catch? They want you to click a link fast. That link takes you to a fake login page that looks exactly like Instagram. You enter your username and password, thinking it's real, but you've just handed your credentials to a hacker. They log in, change your password, and lock you out. If you get a scary, urgent message, don't click the link. Pause, breathe, and check directly with Instagram instead. That's how you stay safe. Weak passwords like Fluffy123 are easy targets for hackers. Hackers use automated tools to guess common passwords in seconds. These tools try millions of popular passwords until they get in. If you reuse passwords, a leak from one site lets hackers access your other accounts, like Instagram. This is called credential stuffing, and it works because people recycle passwords. The fix? Use strong, unique passwords for every account. Use a password manager to create and remember them for you. That's how you keep hackers out. Hackers often target people directly using social engineering. tricks that get you to reveal information or take risky actions. For example, a hacker might pretend to be Instagram support and message you after you post about an account problem. They'll send a fake support message, often with a password reset link or a request for a verification code. Clicking the link or sharing the code gives them access to your account. Another tactic is impersonation. Hackers create fake accounts that look like your friends and send you urgent messages. They might say, "Hey, I got locked out of my old account. This is my new one," and then ask for money or send a suspicious link. Because it looks like a friend, you're more likely to trust the message and act without thinking. Always double-check requests for money or links, even if they seem to come from someone you know. Call or text your friend using their real number to confirm before responding. Take a moment to verify before you act. This simple step can keep your account safe. Don't panic. Protecting your Instagram is simple if you focus on the essentials. First, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds a second layer of security, so even if someone gets your password, they can't log in without your phone. With 2FA, you'll get a unique code on your phone every time you log in. Enter that code to complete the login. Next, be alert for scams. Don't trust messages that pressure you or ask for your password. Instagram will never do that. Watch for poor grammar, weird links, and suspicious emails. If a link or message looks off, don't click it. Finally, review your connected apps. Go to Instagram settings, check the apps and websites section, and remove anything you don't use or recognize. Each unnecessary connection is a risk. Keep your list short and up to date. That's it. Stick to these basics, and your Instagram will be much safer. So here we are. We've journeyed through the digital horror show of the 2025 account takeovers, dissected the simple tricks hackers use, and hopefully armed you with the knowledge to not become their next victim. The central theme, the big takeaway from all of this, is remarkably straightforward. Good habits are a more powerful defense than any complex piece of technology. The security of your online life rests firmly in your hands. It's not about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. It's about treating your digital identity with the same care you treat your physical wallet or your house keys. The battle against hackers isn't one with frantic, panicked reactions after you've already been compromised. It's one with quiet, consistent, and proactive prevention. It's one in the moment you choose to create a strong, unique password and store it in a password manager. It's one when you take 2 minutes to enable two-factor authentication. It's one every time you receive an urgent, suspicious email, and instead of clicking the link, you take a deep breath, delete it, and move on with your day. These small, deliberate actions are what build a formidable digital fortress around your life. The goal of this isn't to scare you away from the internet. Instagram, for all its quirks, is a wonderful tool for connection, creativity, and commerce. The point is to empower you to use it safely and confidently. You don't have to understand the intricacies of coding or network security. You just have to understand the simple cons that target our very human instincts. By learning to spot the red flags of a phishing attempt, by refusing to recycle passwords, and by being skeptical of unsolicited offers of help, you remove the primary weapons from a hacker's arsenal. You make yourself a difficult, unappealing target. Ultimately, personal responsibility is the bedrock of digital security. Platforms like Instagram have a duty to build secure systems, but we have a duty to use them wisely. Don't wait for a crisis to take your security seriously. The time to act is now, when the stakes are low and you're in full control. So go on, update that weak password, enable 2FA, review your connected apps. It might just be the most important 10 minutes you spend online this year. Because in the digital world of 2026, prevention isn't just better than the cure, it's the only real cure there is.